Welcome to Brilliance IO, Brilliance's marketplace. Here I'm going to show you how to create an NFT. First you click create. Then you pick whether or not you want to sell one NFT or multiple copies. We'll pick single. Then you need to upload your file. You have these files types to choose from: PNG, GIF, WebP, MP4, and MP3. You have a maximum of 30 megabytes. I'm going to choose a picture for now. Slide that up there. Perfect. And then I'm going to pick art. And you have different categories here. It's a pull down menu. Categories such as movies, poems, things like that. We picked art. We're going to title it Green Porsche. Description, we're going to call it Fast Car. Royalties, this gives you a royalty every time your NFT sells, which is a percentage of the sale price. So we're going to set 10%. Properties, this allows you to describe your NFT in a little bit more detail. So we're going to add just two properties here. We're going to call it green and then top down view. And now you have to put it on sale. This is important because it won't sell otherwise. Click put on sale. And now you get to choose whether or not people bid on your NFT or if you're willing to sell it at a fixed price. So you can push it into the sale price, as we'll do today. We'll set it for 20 wrapped matic, which is about $12. Unlock one purchase. We're not going to use this today, but basically once someone buys your NFT, you can have something else, another action happen. Sometimes you can put a URL there or something like that. That only is available after someone buys the NFT. And then last, you choose the collection. We recommend you choose Brilliance exclusives. This guarantees that it stays within this marketplace when it resells, and you'll continue to get those royalties. 721 gives you the opportunity to take it off the marketplace if you choose. Push create contract. And now we wait. On the right-hand side, you won't be able to see this, but MetaMask will pop up and it will ask you to accept the gas fee, which is the processing fee to make the block on blockchain. Because we're using Polygon, it's not very expensive. It's about 2 cents. I clicked confirm. Once you click confirm, you wait and it processes it. And then you get one more MetaMask notification that pops up. It's going to ask you to sign the document. So you're just signing or approving the creation of the NFT. So you say yes. And now your NFT is up for sale. And you can go back to the marketplace homepage and you can see that it's listed for sale. Thank you.